In this video, we'll be creating the piston pin, a small yet essential component. It connects the piston to the connecting rod with just single feature. This part is very simple and easy to design. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's dive in and start designing. Take new design file. Make sure your units are in inches. Invoke create sketch. Select right plane. Invoke circle tool. Draw a circle of diameter 5. Okay. Now draw another circle of diameter 7. Invoke extrude feature. Select this profile. In direction, take symmetric. Measurement, wall length and distance. Give 22 inch. So we have finished creating the piston pin, and this is the final design. Now we will move on to another component.